Once you have created the password, log in using your email ID and the password that you just created. Once you are logged in into the platform, you will see something of a screen like this. Now, all you need to do is on the left hand side, click on exhibition stalls and then click on create stall. So once you click on create stall, you will be able to see all of these details. So fill in your company name, fill in your about us, what the company is about, then upload your company logo in 100 by 100 pixels. Once you have uploaded the logo, put in the details of the contact person, put in their designation, put in their mobile number and put in the link of your website. Once you have done that, you can also choose to display your mobile number on the stall page, so you can tick that button. Now you also have to enter your email address and your business address as well. Once you have put in all these details, click on save. So now your exhibitor profile is created successfully. So once that is done, click on exhibition stalls once again and click on create stall. Now you have the option to create the stall. So first click on select category. Now in terms of categories, you can select 3 categories for your particular event. So click on this category that you want to be in. So say for example, I will select trade books, I will select school books and I will select higher education books. So you see I cannot select any more category than that. It will say that per stall only 3 categories are allowed. I will upload my logo. So for the stall you need a 300 by 300 logo. So once you have uploaded the logo, you can move on to the stall name. So you can choose to have a different company name and stall name. So like I will change the stall name now, and in the description you can write about the company, right? So I will also check it to display the stall name. Now this is an important part. This is a slug. So this will be the unique URL that you will be able to share with other people who want to visit your stall directly. So I will write Kapil Gupta 123. So this will be my unique URL. So any event that is happening on Pragati, you can have this slug to get a unique URL for your particular stall. Now I need to assign a user for chat. So I will assign one user for chat, and now in the video URL section, you need to have a YouTube video. So let me show you how you can have that YouTube video as well. So you go on to any of your own YouTube video that you want to put in. Say for example, if I want to put in this video, click on share, then click on embed. Now look at these double quotes. In between these double quotes, copy this embed link. Once you've copied it, you can paste it here. Once you've pasted it here, you can move on. So now the stall will ask you to upload a header banner which will be 1920 by 700 pixels. So you upload one header banner. Then there are 2 top banners on the left and the right. Both of them are in 200 by 200 pixels. So you upload 2 of those. Now these can be different banners depending on what sort of marketing that you want to do on your stall. Now there is a main left stall and main right stall banner. So you click on that and you upload those in 720 by 400 pixels. Once you have uploaded all those details about the stall, you can click on create. Now your stall has been created.